Thank you for your time in watching this short video on genetic testing for hereditary cancer conditions. My name is Shawnia Ryan. I am a licensed genetic counselor and director of the Hereditary Cancer Program at the University of New Mexico Comprehensive Cancer Center. I work with other licensed genetic counselors to see individuals who may have a hereditary cause for their cancer. Your doctor has recommended genetic testing for you based on your cancer diagnosis. In this short video, we want to review some of the information regarding genetic testing for hereditary cancer conditions in order to help with your care. You may be wondering about the purpose of genetic testing for hereditary cancer conditions. To review, DNA makes up our genes, and these help guide our growth and development. These genes can also help keep us healthy. For instance, we all have certain genes that can help protect us from developing cancer. When functioning normally, these genes produce proteins that help to keep our cells healthy. If a person has a change in a gene, their protection from developing cancer may not be as good. These changes in a gene are called pathogenic mutations or pathogenic variants. These changes are usually in the DNA of every cell in the body and are associated with an increased risk to develop cancer over the lifetime. However, the risk is usually not 100%. In individuals with ovarian cancer, fallopian tube cancer, or primary peritoneal cancer, approximately 10% have a mutation in a gene. This is called hereditary cancer. As you can see, there are other causes such as familial or sporadic cancers. This video focuses on hereditary cancers. Your test results, along with a review of your family history, will help figure out which category applies to you. These test results are important for a variety of reasons. First, it allows your treating doctor to think more completely about your care and treatment options. It may give us information about why your cancer developed. It may also determine if you're at higher risk to develop another cancer. If so, we may recommend different cancer screenings or prevention. Also, if there's a DNA mutation, you may have family members at risk, such as your parents, children, grandchildren, and siblings who may wish to know this information. If a mutation is found with your testing, family members may wish to know if they have the mutation. This may help with determining the type of cancer screenings or prevention that is best for them. For most patients, genetic testing for hereditary cancer syndromes involves obtaining some blood for analysis. Multiple genes are analyzed on this sample. It's important to note that we are not analyzing genes associated with one type of cancer. We are looking for cancer risk in general. For example, we may find an increased risk for colon cancer in a patient with ovarian cancer. Also, this type of genetic testing is only for genes associated with cancer. It does not look at genes associated with other health conditions, such as heart disease, dementia, diabetes, or other genetic conditions. For most patients, there are 3 possible genetic test results. These are called positive, negative, and uncertain. A positive result means that a mutation was found in a gene. This could help with your care and could be important information for your family. A negative result means that no mutations were detected in the genes tested. This means that we do not have a reason for why you developed cancer. With a negative genetic testing result, your management will be based on your medical and family histories. The third possible genetic testing result is known as a variant of uncertain significance, or VUS. This means that a change in a gene was identified. However, we do not know if this change is harmless or harmful. Most variants of uncertain significance usually turn out to be harmless changes. This type of result is common in genetic testing. Your medical management should be based on your medical and family histories and not on the VUS. Genetic testing for hereditary cancer syndromes is optional. Given that it may help your doctor with your care, this test is recommended for you. Some individuals have questions about insurance coverage for this type of testing. A specialized laboratory outside of UNM does the gene analysis and bills your insurance. We have a separate document for you to review, which will provide specific information regarding billing for genetic testing. More than 90% of individuals tested pay $0 to $100. Also, some individuals have questions regarding possible discrimination with genetic testing. For individuals with a diagnosis of cancer, the presence of a hereditary cancer gene mutation should not present additional risk of discrimination. For unaffected individuals, such as unaffected family members at risk for a gene mutation, a federal law called the Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act, or GINA, provides some protection. More information can be found at this website. We hope that this video has provided some valuable information to you regarding genetic testing for hereditary cancer conditions. If you choose to go forward with testing, we will help arrange sample collection. The meaning of your genetic test results will need to be interpreted in the context of your personal history and your family history. You will meet with a genetic counselor when your test results are available. It will take about 3 weeks to get your test results. We will contact you to schedule the appointment with the genetic counselor. It's very important that you attend this appointment to receive and discuss your test results. We hope that this short video has been helpful to you in understanding genetic testing for hereditary cancer syndromes. If you would like to proceed with testing, we will have you review and sign the consent form and the billing form. Then we will have your blood collected. If you would like to meet with a genetic counselor prior to proceeding with genetic testing, please let us know and we will have that appointment scheduled for you. Thank you for your time.